the first thing you want to do is just make sure your surface is really clean. Key to success. Make sure whatever surface you're staking it on is really clean. When Dex works, I like to use something a little bit stronger, but this works just as well. That's what happens when you're at work and you've got to use the resources you got. Alright, I don't have a installer tool on me because, again, being at work, we'll just use my RD. You're going to want to seat whatever graphic you got onto the transfer paper first. Nice thing. This is a little graphic, so you don't have to peel it off of section by section. What you want to do, peel it off really slowly. So you get your whole image out like that. And take it from one side, slowly kind of press it on. From there you take your application tool, whatever you got, I'm using my ID, and just kind of go around everything, all the little details. Make sure you get it nice and smooth, or as smooth as you can. And take your transfer tape and slowly peel that back.
Choo choo kapow!
There you go. Take that, kind of smooth out any bubbles it'll be. You always get a little bit, but alright, that, friends, is how you do a vinyl sticker.